Hi guys, I figured I would make this quick video to help maybe guide you in your process of removing your radio, stock radio from your Crown Victoria or other Ford vehicle. I'm told a lot of these cars are like this. This is the radio you're going to be working with. This is the stock radio out of a 2011 Crown Victoria P7B, former police Interceptor. This has the skinnier, thin radio in it. Some of the older vehicles, basically the radios are shaped kind of like this, because right here there's some ducting for the vents in the vehicle. So this is the type of radio you're going to be pulling out. I'm told that you can fit in a single or doubled in the newer ones. We also have to do some cutting if you put a doubled in. So basically, I went on Amazon and I bought the tools to remove these radios. Remove this radio. As you can see, these are kind of hooked and curved on them, so you get 2 of them in a kit. They're like $7 on Amazon Prime. I've been told that some people can do it with coat hangers. After learning this process and seeing how this radio is installed, I'm definitely going to say you're going to want to buy the actual proper tools. So when I got this tool, I see it, okay, it's got a bit of a hook on it. That must mean I have to insert it into the radio. It's the instructions I read online. Maybe I need to do more looking. So you insert it about 1 inch in, you get a click, and then you flex the tool up, and it's supposed to move this retaining clip out of the way. Now, this is a pretty strong, rigid clip. I didn't think it was going to be that strong. But in my mind, you stick the tool in, goes in about 1 inch, you hear the click, okay, apply pressure. This should, in theory, bend down. But what I then found out is I was using the tool backwards. You have to use this rounded edge, the sloped edge, insert it in the front. You get your kind of soft click. You push it in, and it brings that retaining clip down. For the visual learners, I'm going to do it again, because now that I see how this works, I understand it much better. So basically, put in your tool, you get right there, and then push. And push. You do that for the other side too. Now that I get how it works, it's honestly a lot better. Don't do what I did and pull apart your entire dash just because you can't figure out what's going on. So basically, after they get pushed down, see, they're awful kind of tough. Take the radio. This is the position you're going to be looking at. Kind of flex the tools this way, and then you're just going to pull it out. It comes out just like that. Hopefully this is going to help somebody in their adventure. I know after seeing and pulling the dash off, I understand a lot better how this works. For some of you who are also going to be upfitting this with a new radio, there was some confusion on eBay and Amazon about what type of adapter plug you're supposed to buy. A lot of guys recommend going directly through Crutchfield's to purchase exactly what you need. After kind of not really knowing what's going on, I definitely could probably recommend that. I bought this plug off of Amazon. It's a Metra, the installer's choice. Said it's built for Ford 2003 and up. So here's the plug on the back of it, and here's the plug that I received. Definitely not compatible. I try to stick it in the harness. Every other which way, it does not fit. So hopefully that'll help you too. There was some misinformation online about what you need to finish this install. So yeah, hopefully that helps, guys, and I'll see you later. Thanks.